All right, Randy, what's going on today, man?
Got to jump out of a perfectly good plane.
What made you want to do this?
It's thrilling. I've done it once before. I would like to do it a few more times.
Got to remind yourself what it feels like, right?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Anything to say to these people watching before we go?
Do it.
Everyone should try it, shouldn't they?
Absolutely.
All right, man. We'll see you out there. Have fun.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
What'd you think of that?
Oh, that was great.
Look at this camera right here. What'd you think of that?
That was great. I loved it.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
Awesome. What was your favorite part? The jump out, the parachute, or just being back on the ground?
Oh, this time the jump out was pretty good.
Nice. Awesome.
Yeah.
So it's been the second time then?
This second time. The first time, the jumping out was the scariest.
Gotcha. Yep. Not so bad this time.
Not so bad.
All right. Well, welcome back, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.